How to log into Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can log into Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into Discord, what you have to do is, first of all, just make sure that you've downloaded or updated the Discord app from your Play Store or your App Store to the latest version. Once you've gone ahead and then downloaded or updated the Discord application, you want to simply go ahead and then open it up like this. Once you open it up, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you'll be able to see the register and login. If you don't have a Discord account, you can create one by tapping the register option over here. Or if you already do have an account, tap the login button. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then actually make sure to enter your email address as well as the password here. So let me go ahead and then enter my email address as well as my password. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password option, or you can also select use password manager in order to successfully go and reset it. If your details are correct, you can tap the login option and then you'll be successfully signed in to your Discord account. This way you can sign into your Discord account. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.